Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Granite Crystal Metallic. With keyless enter and go, ready alert braking, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 10912A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.